technology is a huge part in everything. So, for example, I mean, we're talking about vehicle complexity. Absolutely, we want to be able to deliver support both from a tactical and strategic level of both training and development, asset management, in order to ensure that our independents are able to leverage mind power to reduce the cost structure of the investment required in order to be able to be capable to fix today's vehicles and those that will engage in the future. But from a technology standpoint, and this is not related directly to vehicle complexity, but in the management of our network, we leverage technology to enhance accessibility. So to give our franchisees the ability, or our franchise partners, the ability to have one-touch reporting, to understand their financials from a P&L standpoint, balance sheet standpoint, liquidity ratios, very important, right? And they don't have to understand how that's all being calculated, but they know that with our training, they have one button and they see exactly, they get an excellent snapshot of where they're at, where they are. We also leverage that type of data pump technology for an operational standpoint. So we give them added opportunities and accessibility to better manage their business. We're exceptionally proud of that and proud of them for their willingness to change and their willingness to learn. They have a very high teachability index, and we're very proud of them for that.
After the first probably, I would say 3 months into this, we were lucky enough to sign on our first franchisee. And I'll never forget the first time we spoke to him after we signed the deal and we became partners, and we started to implement all the changes in the business. He called me. His name is Merrick. He called me and he said, "Dominic, I have to tell you, my son has never had this much energy and enthusiasm for this business in his entire life." And he goes, "I greatly thank you and Paul for what you guys have done for just not only the business but for our family." So it's very gratifying for us when we hear these kinds of stories. I mean, that's really what is the fuel for us, helping change lives, essentially. So, as I say, collision repair is a core competency of what we do. It's always been one of our biggest strengths. But to be a real car care, service provider, there's other services that we've now introduced to be able to provide to our customers. That is mechanical services, tire, glass, detailing, and a lot of other accessory things that our consumers may want. So we're constantly evolving, and we listen to our customers and identify what their needs are as we move forward, and we'll always adapt and change to what they want.